the post-holiday homestand, but the trimmings are still around Thrive City as the Warriors begin first of 7 games at home, and they put an 8-game home winning streak on display against a beast from the East in the Heat tonight. And Steph playing some D in his own right. The push ahead, Kuminga ahead of everyone.
That is how you get back in transition.
And pushing it and trying to dictate the tempo. That was a great example.
Your defense sets that up as AzafadyAy. They're trying to establish him inside early.
Bam's fading, firing, and hitting.
He's got great back to the basket game. He's doing a lot of work from the mid-range this year.
Klay Thompson. He hits the 3 for his first shot of the night. Tyler Hero rimming it up and in. Tyler Hero, Podziemski, a couple Milwaukee guys. And you see Hero get all the way to the cup.
That's what I mean when I say live.
Jaquez inside to put it up and in. Jaquez. I'll tell you what, he was 11 of 15 on Christmas.
He's not a good three-point shooter, so you don't usually become a great three-point shooter. Podziemski knocks one down.
That was a big 3 right there because the Warriors been clanking 3s early. Nice screen roll with Hero and AzafadyAy. And Tyler Hero rattles it home. Steph came to help nicely, and then Looney knocked it away. Klay on the run out. Klay to beat 2 defenders to put it in. Podziemski, they just served it up to Looney. Can he finish inside? He can.
Yeah, they're figuring it out.
And there is the skills of Saric getting Trace the layup, just as you predicted. Podziemski an open 3. Got it!
Oh, that's a great play from Andrew Wiggins.
Duncan Robinson sent back by Trace Jackson Davis. Comes Hampton in full flight to lay it up and in.
That's his game. All speed, no breaks.
Wiggins laying it up and in. That's a great find by Trace Jackson Davis. And then Wiggins has been on point with a couple nice deliveries.
The Heat can't keep up with that ball movement.
And Wiggins, a couple nice passes early, and then Andrew scoring inside. Duncan Robinson, good pass inside. A nice finish. Post up and AzafadyAy. The fronting defense not going to work with Bam being so strong. Dario now getting a little stubborn. He's saying, yeah, I was fouled the first time. I'm going to flip that in and draw the foul. Klay staying right with Duncan Robinson. There's the cut you talked about. Saric was ready for it. Kane, look what I found. Ricocheted out to him to hit that 3. Duncan Robinson. And the Warriors have paid good attention to him, but Jovic getting the rebound and falling that home, and the Heat have retaken the lead. Kane breaking the paint. I tell you what, Jamal Kane getting an opportunity.
He can score.
Saric, he got around Kane. They put it up and in. The Warriors have 6 turnovers in the quarter. And Robinson will get his first bucket in transition. It's fouls and turnovers. Otherwise, the Warriors are brilliant. Like that. With Kuminga and the 2-handed hammer. Duncan Robinson setting up Love. The pump fake, and then the 3. So he drew the foul on Trace one time, and then clever enough to nail the 3 there as Tyler Hero puts that in.
Ooh, he gave him the too small signal.
Kevin Love flipping it in and drawing the foul.
It's their kind of game.
Steph finding Trace Jackson Davis. And Trace scoring inside. He's got 6. Hero able to flip that in before Wiggins got back.
Made sure he got it up high.
Steph Curry's got a 3, and he's on the board. Highsmith hitting the 3. So Haywood Highsmith. Tyler Hero's been the hottest member of the Heat, and he rails the 3 at 43%. Wiggins, I'm this open. He'll just turn and laser it in.
That time instead of
Rudy staying with Tyler Hero, and he blocked his shot. You can't play better defense than that. Steph Curry dropping in the 3, and he's fouled. Hampton looking to drive. Chris Paul staying with them. Shot clock at 1, and there's Mooney with another block. AzafadyAy getting to his mid-range. What a good shot there. Kuminga, Looney, Podziemski with Steph and Klay, and Brandon right to the rim. Hampton lost the handle, but it ricochets right to Jaquez. Jaquez, very efficient player. I mean, the 11 of 15 on Christmas. Hero making the Warriors pay.
Hero's so smart. He saw Bajinski jump that one, so he's automatically spun.
And Jaquez is just doing work. He's got 9.
What I tell you about his footwork, elite.
Clay getting to the foul line jumper, and so, wait a minute, Clay. He said if he made a couple free throws, see the ball go in. Steph getting a little body contact, laying it in, drawing the foul.
And he is hyped. That's power.
Hampton lob. Oh, how did Adebayo tip that one in? Kuminga. He hung himself on the rim. Looney, pump fake, foul, and field goal. The Heat are playing well. Hampton, tough turn and fire and finish. That pass was low, and Clay made it anyway. Jaquez on a show and go. Created a little space and hit the mid-range. Man, that was like a guy who'd been in the league for 5 years. Kuminga on a made bucket.
He just took off, outran everybody. Caught him sleeping.
Jaquez scoring inside.
He is so good in there with his footwork, his pump fakes.
Tyler Hero hits a 3. Kuminga. Yeah, he just now said that's enough. Chris Paul moving his feet. Tyler Hero, that was sick. Jamski rejected the screen. Gets all the way to the rim and lays it up and in.
There you go. Spun that one in.
Kane very patient on that pump fake. Tyler Hero. Skip pass. There's Duncan Robinson. They make him sidestep. And if he's open, his 3 could be lethal. That's his first 3 tonight. There's Paul mid-range. Final minute of the third. Try to climb back in. Chris Paul hit 1. Chris Paul hit 2. Kevin Love via Pajemski and then finding Kane. What a nifty pass and very tight quarter. Jaquez finding Kane, who's been a thorn in the side the whole game. Jamal Kane is crushing the Warriors on 7 of 10 shooting. Beautiful inbounds play to Dario Saric. Clay finding Kuminga. Shoot from the baseline and rim it in. Duncan Robinson back to Jovic. Right to the rim. He will draw the foul and lay it in.
That's that lazy.
Adebayo creates some space and drops it in. Jovic puts it on the deck and finishes. Wiggins attacking, and Wiggins right to the rim, and he can do a lot of that. We saw that in Denver. Moody, we just went to the Wiggins school right there. Let's go right to the rim and finish. Moody, little feet work. How about that for Moses? Like that. Backdoor to Kane, and he'll flip it around and out. Adebayo got that rebound. Adebayo putting it in. Moody wing jumper off iron, and Wiggins will track it down.
Any threes.
And Chris Paul answers with a 3. Duncan Robinson, when he misses that, that's where the Heat would be frustrated. And Hero bottoms a 3. It has been that evening. Tyler Hero nearly knocked it away. Now Wiggins getting downhill, setting up Trace Jackson-Davis. Now if Andrew starts doing that, that's a whole nother dimension for the Warriors offense. Jaquez dropping it in.
See, this is Heat culture. The fact that Tyler Hero knows his Moody misses and gets his own rebound, makes it. The fact that Tyler Hero and Adebayo are going to finish this game, that's Heat culture.
Moody attacking to lay it up and in, and he draws the foul. And Moody trying to save that. And went right to Jovic. And Swider, the beneficiary. So the Heat had it as large as 22. It was a 7-point game at halftime. Jerome Robinson missing. Trace Jackson-Davis and Moody guiding that home. So if you pick up the box score and you see 8 Warriors in double figures, still not enough. And they are very good friends. You see them on Olympic coaching staffs, but the Heat end the Warriors' 8-game home winning streak. And they do it pretty convincingly. 114-102.